This right here is the Wolfbox MF100 pocket-size air blower, and it's going viral on the internet right now. It is supposed to replace canned air for good, and I wanted to see for myself if this is actually true and how powerful this little guy really is. Other reviews already prove that the manufacturer specs are not just some BS marketing gag. No, they are actually true. So we're talking 150,000 RPM, incredible wind speeds of up to 185 mph or 300 kph that pack a punch thanks to the 70 CFM of air volume with a 6000 mAh battery, 3 speed settings and up to 100 minutes of blowing time with different nozzles, and all of that for an affordable price point. Looks and sounds amazing, right? But is it actually that good? Well, let's find out. If you like powerful stuff like the MF100 and want to get up to speed just as fast as the airspeed in terms of programming, then I have just the right thing for you. This is boot.dev, the definitive course when it gets to back-end programming and learning it the smart way and not the hard way. They say it's the most captivating, finger-flying, addictive way to learn code. So is that actually true? And as you can tell by this 2-minute demo, yes, it actually is. As you can see, they offer a great gamified approach. It is so much fun to learn this way, and throughout the course, you will learn how to code Python, learn Linux as well as Git, build a bookbot, then learn object-oriented programming, build another game, then functional programming, all the way to structures and algorithms, memory management, and building more games and projects throughout the bank. You will even build a Pokédex, learn about HTTP, SQL, and much more, like the helpful and super convenient Docker container tech. And then you can top it off with even deeper learning, including more about HTTP, Git, Kubernetes, PubSub architectures, and even JavaScript and cryptography. Boot.dev will get you up to speed in no time. It is so much fun and incredibly affordable, and in the end, you are totally ready to develop your own games, programs, or start your career path in this field. So check out boot.dev through the first link in the description and check out all their courses and modules. They have a 30 days money-back guarantee, so it is completely risk-free for you to check it out. So see for yourself and find out why it is totally worth the money, and go ahead and invest in your career and learn all the modern back-end development skills and more today. New drip. Got the new drip from Wolfbox, the MF100 pocket-sized air blower. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will link the best deals for you. Yeah, now let's check it out. There we go. Still wrapped up, so let me remove it right away. And there we have it. The sides, as you can see, except for the brand right there, they are blank. This one as well, and of course on the back we have all the specs and all the small print. And now let's open it up. Let's shake it out, pull off the lid, and we have the paperwork straight on top. Nice padding. And then the actual device right here, wrapped up, and a few of these inserts right there, well, different nozzles. Oh, and also a charging cable and a strap, and there is still more. So we also get a nice carrying bag, really cool. So let's get straight to it, accessories and manual. Nice box, nice padding, it's now empty. Inside here we also have cleaning tools. 2 of these brushes right there for cleaning it up. A nice and soft carrying bag with the brand, and we can close it up just like that. That's dope. A really nice and thick heavy-duty strap, also with this sliding piece right there. A black USB-A to USB-C charging cable right there. And then we also have a total of 5 nozzles with different diameters and different shapes. We have 3 of these circular ones with a small, medium and large hole right there. Of course, we can also use it without a nozzle for the maximum volume, I guess. And we also have this special purpose one, super small, and then this flat one right there. So here we have the nozzles, and last but not least, of course, the paperwork. We have the warning note right there and a nice overview right there. And then we also have the main manual in multi-language. So right there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the rest is multi-language. So to recap, the paperwork, cleaning accessories, different nozzles, strap, charging cable, and the carrying bag. Done with the unboxing, and let's get to my first impressions, and then of course to a close overview. This thing is looking so dope. We can hook in the strap easily right there. And again, we have different nozzles available, and they will screw and click in place just like that. Again, off. And this one Perfect. So let's see if we can turn it on already. Oh, that's the on-off button, of course. So we have the battery indicator, the gear. So let's see. First gear. Cute. And this nozzle right there with the side ejection and without it. That's just too cool. So yeah, let's take a close look. So on the side we have the brand, we have the air duster, really nice rubber inlays on both sides, great for gripping it. The battery indicator as well as the gear indicator, 3 LEDs, 4 LED dots. On this side we have the USB-C charge port, the sticker with the specs, and of course here the turbine, and on the other side the outlet where we can also click in the different nozzles and also the activator. Oh, and we also get it will tilt the camera. We also have 3 LEDs inside here, really cool. And on the back, that's so cool. Great design overall, that's the other side. And on the bottom we have the, well, this little hook right here. And on top it's looking like that. So yeah, a really nice, compact, great unit and crazy powerful for the footprint. Not bad, right? So let's finally test it. So let's turn it on. As you can see, the LEDs are still visible, even in bright sunlight. And we are ready to go. Let's exchange the nozzles right away. I want the fastest airstream, so there we go. That is crazy. I just got it super wet, but no problem. You can really dig with this device. Crazy powerful. That's the best. Got pretty dirty from all the digging. Better. Let's explore more real-world use case scenarios. So there. Beautiful. In here. Beautiful. In here. No problem. Maybe we can also clean out this whole thing right there. Not bad. Look at that. Beautiful. And one of the main purposes is, of course, to clean out keyboards or computers. It is a definitive replacement for canned air. But you get the point. Oh my god, that was stupid. Much better than canned air. To 100%. Massive thumbs up from my side. The MF100 is epic. So as you saw, excellent build quality as well as hardware with a really cool design and a massive power. for this small footprint and all those capabilities and features for such an incredible price point. It is so much better than the competition in all regards, especially in this price segment. I am absolutely amazed. Top tier value right here. So all in all, the MF100 and also the boot.dev courses are definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.